They're like, oh my. Clay Matthews came in there running. Like a lion.
Second down, forget the 15. It's all about 5 seconds. Well, they did the last time, too, which I thought was pretty smart. They got Rodgers backpedaling. And reset starts. They are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll with it. Throws it up in the air.
No way.
Yes!
No way!
Oh my gosh! I said it's a touchdown! Oh my gosh! Richard Glasser! Literally!
No, that was Richard Rodgers.
Richard!
It's a scoring play, isn't it?
Wait, did they still get the field goal?
Ball is
It's out of time.
bouncing around on his chest.
No way.
That was Peterson behind him. Johnson comes in. Johnson got his hand on the ball.
And then once he was in the end zone, then there was a late punch out there. I think he had control for a moment. And then it was Rashad Johnson. Is there control right there? And now Rashad Johnson comes in and punches it out. That's the way I would see that. Look at this throw.
Unbelievable.
Completely falling away, pressure in his face, and he launches. This is insane.
Yeah, Janice got permission. There's a lot of discussion going on in New York right now.
Do they still get the field goal?
With the result.
He can go for the 2-point